Hi, I'm Linda Matthews. If you've ever wanted to get started with creative journaling, but it all feels a bit overwhelming, follow along in this new video series as I show you how to create simple but creative journal pages using printables and other types of journaling ephemera. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a gratitude journal page. You can use any type of blank notebook or journal to get started. You can buy one, or you can easily make your own. I'm using this standard size traveller's notebook insert with blank pages for my creative journal. I like this size because the page is large enough to make a creative layout, but small enough that it doesn't take up too much time. If you want to know how to make your own creative journal just like this one, you can find a link to a tutorial in the description below. For the first page in this journal, I'm using these gratitude journaling printables that are available for free download on my website. You can find the link to the download in the description below. After you download the printables, print the page onto a piece of good quality copy paper. I like to use 24 pound or 100 GSM weight paper, which is a slightly heavier weight than standard copy paper, but not as thick as cardstock. This weight paper is thick enough to prevent ink from bleeding through to the other side when you're writing, and it's also a good weight that will support stickers and glued-on clip art and ephemera. Instead of copy paper, you could also print the page onto sticker paper to make stickers from the clip art. Once you've printed out the page, you need to cut out all the pieces. On this sheet of free printables, I've included some flower and butterfly clip art, as well as some note paper and gratitude phrases. When cutting out clip art, you can leave a small border around the edge. It's not necessary to cut it out accurately, unless you want to, of course, but sometimes that's just too much work. Once the clip art is cut out, you can now begin designing your first page. Along with the free printables, I'm also going to use some washi tape and some other printable papers. When using clip art that has bright colours such as these, the best way to tone down those colours in your designs is to include some other types of clip art or ephemera that are neutral in colour. I'm using some of my printable ink saver pages, which are available in black and white and also sepia colour, and I've printed them onto copy paper. These are good types of pages for adding neutral elements to your creative journal pages. I'm going to tear a few pieces to add to my design. There's no right or wrong way to make your page. This is your journal, and you don't have to show it to anyone if you don't want to, so you get to do it your way. When designing your pages, simply gather together a bunch of bits and pieces that you think you might use and start playing around with the design by layering and moving the pieces around until you're happy with the way things look. Once you're happy with the design, then you can start gluing the pieces in place. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also visit my website where you'll find free tutorials and printables for creative journaling.